Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with 3 things I want to show you. I have showed you the My Sweet Petunia kit from Shawna. She's from Mason Art. She's one of the design team members in the LineDotArrow design team. And I showed her kit on the video a few weeks ago. Maybe it was 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure anymore. But I'm going to flip through the kit a bit faster than the last time, because there's a video where I do it very slow and you can see all the beautiful pages. But I have a giveaway. I am allowed to give one of these kits away, and how you could do that was to go to that video. I will link it down below in the description box under this video, but you have to go to that video and then comment below the video with hashtag My Sweet Petunia. That's the name of the kit. You have to become a subby to my channel and also become a subby to Shawna's channel, and then I will do a drawing for a winner for the free kit. And I didn't set an end date on the giveaway, so there's still time to enter. So while I was talking, I was showing you the pages, and this is the last page. So it's a very large, versatile kit, and she draws the flowers herself, and she does a lot of painting, and well, she's really a creative artist, and I love her work, and so should you. And if you go to her shop and you use LDA coupon 35, you can purchase this kit with 30% off, 35% off, sorry, and it's valid until the end of this month. So my suggestion is you go to her shop and favorite the shop, and also go to the other video I will link down below where I have the giveaway opportunity going on. If you want to win this kit, use hashtag My Sweet Petunia. And keep in mind, if you want to buy it, you can use the coupon LDA from LineDotArrow coupon 35. It's all in one line, so there's no spacing in between. But you know the deal with the Etsy stores. That's not a new thing I'm telling you. It's valid until the end of this month, and at the moment it is, I have to check the date, the 17th. Let me check the calendar, one moment please. Okay, I will do the drawing the 21st of this month. So winner's drawing. And I will do it on Dutch time. I'm not sure what the time will be, but I will upload a video where I do the drawing, and I will count in all the entries that use the hashtag My Sweet Petunia. So if you see this now, don't comment below this video, please. Go check the original video and comment below that video. That is the video where I select the comments using this hashtag, and then from there on I will do the winner drawing. Okay, I hope that this is all clear. So this was the first thing I wanted to show you. I'm going to put this away. And the other thing is I have a new kit, and it's huge. I was planning to split it up in 2 kits, but at the end I thought, well, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to bring out a huge kit. Shawna's kit, the one I just showed you, the My Sweet Petunia, is huge too, and I think people will like it. And the other thing I'm going to show you are Halloween freebies. I'm going to start off with the freebies, by the way. And that are a few sheets that will be available in my Facebook group with Halloween designs. This is the promo sheet. So this is this one you can download too, and you can cut little items from them if you want to. But this is just a promo sheet. This is one of the pages. It's in vintage style, and it's not with the horror things on it. I don't like all horror things, so I thought, well, we go for the sweet and kind version. And this is the third page, and I really like how they turned out. And there is also a sheet with tags and little elements to put on your projects. And maybe we can do a little challenge in the Facebook group using the Halloween freebies. But well, if I'm going to do a challenge, I'm now able to post new events again because the buttons are back in the Facebook group. So, and this is just for fun. So these are the freebies. If you are a member of my Facebook group, you can download these, and I have several others. There's a link to Google Drive, and you have to send me an email. Not everybody. It depends on which email account you have. If you have a Gmail account, I think you don't have any trouble. But if you have another email account, you will have to send me an email, and I have to approve that you are going to download these files. But I will do that. That's no biggie, because you are allowed to download these if you are a member of my Facebook group. So now the new kit. Like I said, it's a very large kit, and to be honest, I have to check, because it was even bigger at first. I narrowed it down. I had 35 pages, which was a lot, and I narrowed it down to 31 or 32, I'm not sure. There's one freebie page in it. So it's very huge, but I have to say I do like it. It starts off with the wrong pages, I see now, so I'm going to, maybe I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Yes, there are 31 pages. Let me just quickly change something. I should have prepared this a little bit better, but yeah, I didn't. It's a mad house at the moment for me. Working a lot, adjusting to a new job, traveling very far from work. It's okay. I get used to it, but I don't have a lot of spare time. Not complaining, explaining only why I haven't prepared so very well. Okay, let me just, I have this thing making a noise all the time, so let me put it out of the way. Okay. Collage TearPages number 3. I have also number 1, that is more with script thingies, and I also have number 2, that is actually an add-on for number 1. This one doesn't need an add-on, it's a full kit. So this is the first page. This is the second page. And there are a lot of greens, blues, pinks. These can be used as backing for tags, but also as journal pages or using to collage pieces on. This is one of my favorite pages, and the thing I like the most is this little zebra over here. Then there's a writing page. You can choose to print this on front, this on back. This is also another writing page or a collage page. This is one of my favorites too. We have this one. It's kind of grungy, but also romantic. It's collaged. You can do a lot with these. And it's huge, I know. But yeah, I think you can do a lot with this. You can combine it with other kits you already have or use pieces from it. I think it's very versatile. It comes with 2 large envelopes, coin envelopes, and again the little zebra. There are 3 large tags. Then there are 2, I call them the regular pockets. I'm not sure how to call them because, well, they are rounded like this, but when you fold them you have a square pocket. Then I have 4 slanted pockets. I always include these in my kits because they work very easy. I have a sheet with 6 tags. There are a lot of tags in this kit. Then I have a sheet with tinier version of the pockets, always handy. Then I have a sheet, I call them photo frames, but you can use them as journaling cards. You can cut out the window and put something else with an acetate window or an, how you call it? Not tracing paper, but the other thing. I don't know the name, sorry, but something that's shining through. You can make it yourself with tracing paper, and when you put oil on it, glassine, that's the word. But you can also, this one you can turn into a tag if you want to, make a window, or you can even make a little booklet if you print this twice. You can do a lot. So these are included. Then there are 2, another set of tags with different sizes. These are actually large ones too, and then 2 smaller sizes. There are 2 file folders which you can use as an outside of an insert cover. Diane, one of the design team members that was in the design team from LineDotArrow, used to use this as a cover for her, sometimes for her journal or for her insert inside the journal, which was a very good idea. And then I have this file folder. Sorry, I was a bit quick, but yeah, this is second file folder. Then there's a sheet with little bits and pieces, tiny tags. There are numbers, small journaling cards, some ephemera pieces that you can use. There's another sheet with little bits and pieces, frames, cutouts, fuzzy cut elements, another set of frames. I do like these. You can use this as a journaling card. So this is included. I have a sheet with vintage flowers, and I do love these. So these are in. Then I included a Goldie Oldie. The booklet, I changed a little bit of the layout, but I thought, well, this is a cute addition to the kit. To explain this, this is the outside of the booklet, and if you cut this out, you can glue it on like this, and then you have the inside cover. This can be put on the outside with a card, and this can be put on the inside cover on the left, on the right with a card. But there are also people who make 2 little booklets from it, or turn this into a tag, turn this into a tag. You can do a lot with these. And the freebie is this. And I did add the brown line just to make sure you could cut it under the scan and cut, but you can also cut it with a paper cutter, of course. But you can use this as the outside of your book. You can make a journal from this. You can put this on the spine, you can put this on the front, but you can also cut this and make how do you call it, Oh, we call it a boekenlegger. The thing you put between the pages when you read, so you know where you have to start the next time. I don't know the word in English. I love the word, but yeah. So this is the kit. I hope you like it. And it's a lot. I know. It's slightly more expensive than the other ones because, well, you have more pages. But the good thing is, it's also on sale, like all the other kits I have on sale with 30% off. So I think it's a good price. This is not the monthly kit. I didn't have a monthly kit this month. This is Collage TearPages number 3. So monthly kits is usually 20 pages, but in October I didn't make a monthly kit. So this is what I wanted to show you. The new kit, the new freebies, and again a chance to enter the giveaway for My Sweet Petunia from Shawna. From Shawna Mewson. I'm constantly saying Mewson because that sounds Dutch and it looks Dutch, the name to me, but I think it's Mewson. But I will link the video down below, and if you see the video you know exactly what to do. So yeah, this is it for today. If you like the video, maybe want to give it a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. There's also a series going on of me making a Bella Rosa journal. That's an order for a customer I'm working on. I can show you the cover really quick. This is the journal that I'm working on. It's not done yet. I'm getting there. And the other thing I'm working on at the same time, but didn't do a lot lately, is the Thanksgiving Ringbound journal. And there's also several videos about this one, so maybe you want to check that one out. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. I hope to see you next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.